Assalamu alaikum, my name's Saleem Siddiqui and this is Hot Conflict. Well, it's been a long time since I talked to any of you and I thought of doing something a little bit different. I hear these days getting up to a chalkboard or a whiteboard is all the rage, and so I've been wondering, what can you actually do if you take a pen or a writing instrument and put together letters or symbols or pictures? Is it possible for people to express themselves by writing, to alter people's perceptions and ideas by using signs and symbols? Do we have amongst our people somebody who is known as a writer, a scribe, a preserver by the pen? Yes, that one we know is Idris. And because we've been talking about Enoch and the mysteries of Enoch, Enoch is known as the scribe. وَاذْكُرْ فِي الْكِتَابِ إِدْرِيسَ. Remember in the book of Idris. Idris has a book. He is a writer of the book, and in the book, remember about Idris. وَاذْكُرْ فِي الْكِتَابِ إِدْرِيسَ إِنَّهُ كَانَ صِدِّيقًا نَبِيًّا. Verily, Idris was known to be what? By what nature? By what sign? By what symbol? He was a Siddiq, somebody who had kept the trust, the honor, the oath, the authority, the covenant, a preserver of the sacred. Trust, a Siddiq, Nabiya. He was sent as a prophet, given prophecy and preaching prophecy. وَرَفَعْنَاهُ مَكَانًا عَلِيًّا. And Allah says in the chapter called Maryam, chapter 19, that He has been risen up to a higher level. مَكَانًا عَلِيًّا, the next stage, the next level, beyond the level of those who speak the word, those who perhaps begin to write it, to take the pen and write the symbols and teach by the signs. Something new and strange from Hot Conflict. Now we're going to be talking about different things and just try a little bit of weirdness. Let's start back with Egypt. Well, first, of course, when we talk about drawing, people always talk about the basic shapes of geometric structure. Circles, squares, and of course, the triangle, right? Your basic triangle. When we talk about Egypt, we talk about the basic pyramid. We see the pyramid, and of course, if you go through the Masonic lore, you'll see that the pyramid has usually 13 steps to get to this capstone right there. But in the actual pyramid in Egypt, you find that it is a four-sided pyramid, four-sided at the base. And when you get to the centerpiece here, the actual capstone, this capstone piece, is not present. The pyramid is there and ends there, as if to imply there is levels that have been formed and there is an uncompleted level. This level, the capstone, sometimes called the capstone, it's sometimes called the peak or the apex of the pyramid. In Arabic, the term we use is dhirwat as-sanam, or dhirwat as-sanamiha, from the hadith, the actual peak of the pyramid of what we're upon. Now, those of you who are following along the sunnah understand what we mean by the capstone. So there has been this understanding that in Egypt is the sacred mysteries of what is embedded in the geometric structure, and that the pyramid itself is a marking of that. Now, some of this has been known amongst various secret brotherhoods and secret organizations. Well, what secret brotherhoods and secret organizations?